Hey guys, and welcome to a new episode of Desoldering Items from old PCB boards. And as a fellow YouTuber of mine says, here we go. It's Beyond the Press channel. Just got a message, have to reply. Alright, because I'm delivering a computer. Let's see. Wow, this old board, I think it's Mitsumi. Yeah, it's definitely from a DVD writer. As opposed to more modern boards, the solder is really easy to melt. The components really easy to remove. The near ones are nearly impossible to. Even simple components as capacitors. Again with my soldering iron. Because obviously with the right tools you can, but don't know what's up with that. And they're the same, like they're double layer. Oh. No, sorry, they are double layer, but these capacitors they have no pad on the top. They just go through. Yeah, so that helps. It's basically just a simple PCB for the capacitors. There's a shielding here. Oh, actually a small heatsink. Gotta need my small pliers for this. Obviously the two motor controllers. One for disc spinning, one for the lens. One very tiny potentiometer. So tiny. That's just my cat playing in the background. That's just my wife laughing in the background. Where are you? Can't wait to buy a battery for that lightning detector to finally test it out properly. These are some interesting connectors here. Really easy to get out. And I actually need them. I use them, for power and potentiometer LEDs connecting to boards that I make. This one should I? Let's just get the components out first. Let's get all the capacitors. Yeah, my cat, he has one of those feathered stick things. You know, like that stick with feathers at the end, and he just goes crazy with it. It's really nice owning a cat, you know, there's a bit more responsibility than if you're alone. Gotta take care of the litter, food every day, water, and so on. I can't tell you about the hair he leaves behind. I have to vacuum like at least once every 2 days. But what in the... It surely helps, yeah, it helps you relax. If you're having a bad day, you just, you know, take him in your arms and suddenly everything's alright again. I totally recommend it, having a pet, no matter what, dog, cat, fish, whatever floats your boat, but do have pets. It's the best thing in the world. Well, let's try this large connector. Again, the solder just melts away. I can't describe how good this feels. There, boom, and it's just out. Why don't they make them the same these days? Might try even this surface one. Right here. I'm thinking, yeah, it's soldered at the ends too. There's need a heat gun for this. No, I'll just melt it away. I don't have all my tools, but I'll improvise. Something. Hello. Okay. Couple of resistors. Ouch. Ouch. This one's interesting. It's really nice to recover connectors from a board like this. They're very useful in future projects. If I can grab them. There you go. I wonder if I have any use for these. Don't even know what the hell they are. a small capacitor. Nah, forget about it. It's much more likely I'll get a new component if I need that kind of stuff. This one, just the 4 pins. Just the 4 pins. Anything else? I have the large one, of course, but I'm not going for this one. That's all, and I'll just throw this in the SMD box for future SMDs. That's it, and thanks for watching.